care of everything. I love them. They've saved me a lot of money on my air conditioning bills, and the temperature of the house has dropped considerably. They were perfect. They were in and out of here probably in about, I'd say 5 hours. They installed 6 windows for me, and the cleanup part of it was, they left it cleaner than what it was when they came in. Very much so. Matter of fact, I live in a community, and I've recommended either 4 or 5 of the houses, and they've installed with you. Every step of the way, they would have someone call me. It just was perfect.